Hi friends, in this video tutorial I am going to present you how to beveled matte white picture style in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we want to make a picture bevel matte white style. Go to the new slide option. Then create a blank slide to insert a picture. Go to the insert menu. Then click picture option and choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and insert it. Then resize the picture some small. Then move this picture on the middle in the slide. Then go to the picture format menu and click picture style drop down menu and choose bevel matte white style. Now we can see here we make this picture bevel matte white style very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.